Well, good morning, guys. We are 1 week away from Nodo. My first show with the P40, and so let's do a little bit of maintenance to it to get it ready. Well, there she went. I'd say this looks pretty clear to me. Pretty clear to me. Alright, got her all cleaned up. Now we just gotta line up the holes, get her back on in there. There it goes. Boom, bada bing, something like that. I can straighten that out a little more, but there we go. Alright, now time to adjust our valves. Top dead center, numero uno. Let's get going. Well, I didn't record any of it, but I got my valves adjusted. They're all just slightly loose. Nothing horrible. Got them all adjusted up. Now it's time to put some oil in it, and about good to go. Well, now we're full of oil. Why don't you say we go for a little test drive? Just test things out, you know? Let's go. It's funny to be cruising down the beach, and how many people are breaking their necks looking at this thing. Pretty funny. Maybe you made it. I need all the speed I can get. Everybody slows down as we're going up the bridge, but it's alright. We got the power, baby. Also, red light at the bottom of this bridge, so. Well, the P40 did great. About 75 miles, went to the beach and back after adjusting my oil and after changing my oil and adjusting my valves. Everything was good there. Then I decided, let's go for a little test drive. Happened to be 75 miles to the beach, But next weekend's Nodo, so stick around, stay tuned for the next video, which will be Nodo Adventures. Till then, take care. See you guys later. Bye-bye.